11 the other day in about an hour and a half.
He had a Kauai hat on, Nady. His Kauai's on the top. We're going straight? Or this way? Which way are we going? Which way? Wow, look at this. Look how green those trees are.
How green that cactus is.
Oh, wow. Look how green they are. All right. They pulled gold from clay.
Rhenium now valuable but useless at the time.
Huh. Look at that spot of sunlight over there.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's nice. It's cooling off a little. Oh boy. Oh my God. Look how green it is. Look how green it is. Look at that. The contrast. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. I can't believe we're doing this. We're finally doing this. Look what's over here. Look, some of them are open. You don't want to take a picture of some of them?
No.
Okay. Ooh, look at that rock slide over here on the left. That one, right there.
You got it?
The rock slide. Those orange rocks coming down that green. You see it? Oh, it's right over here.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. Yep. This is so pretty. Got a fisherman over here. Hi.
You guys done this trail before?
No.
Cool. I think the fishing's so lousy, I'm going to put this away and go hiking.
All right. Well, I can't believe we're hiking here.
Like you said, we're in the canyon. Look at that.
Yeah. Wow. Maybe I should walk ahead. Where's the turn? We got a ways to go, right?
Oh yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay. I don't want to keep you from taking pictures.
I'll get there.
All right. Hello.
Hi. Keep your hat strapped on tight.
Oh, it is. It's windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank goodness there's some wind.
Yeah.
Could cook you right up
Yeah,
here.